Gary is gone, but his spirit lives on. People say that it can't work, black and white. Well, here we make it work every day. We have our disagreements, of course. But before we reach for hate, always, always we remember the Maine.
Remember the Maine.
After the show, you can fly directly and be in the clinic before anyone knows. It's all been arranged.
I won't be 40 soon, shall I? 40. And nobody's gonna remember.
The Maine.
I've never done anything lasting.
Tell me, do you know what day it is, Evie?
November the 4th.
Not anymore. Remember.
The Maine.
The gunpowder, treason, and plot. I know of no reason why the...
Nick, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name's Shauna Kelly. I am so sorry for your troubles.
Thank you, that's kind.
Are you remembering?
The Maine.
Well, a lot of cold cuts.
I'm gonna fix you up my world-famous chicken Frito pie.
That's very kind and very necessary.
You have to keep your strength.
It kept you alive, though.
Well, Dan did. He gave me our task. To remember
The Maine.
Fíjate. ¿Sabes alguna nana? Solo una. Pero no recuerdo.
La Maine.
No importa. Quiero escucharla.
For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember,
Maine.
though I have to travel far, remember,
Maine.